isn't very easy to launch a rocket into space. After all, it has to escape the great pull of gravity from the Earth. So, 1 kg requires 6 liters of fuel to launch into space. Imagine the spacecraft which weighs hundreds of kgs. That would be tons of fuel. Fuel has weight. So if you need more fuel, you need more weight. So there's a way. That's where staging comes in. You see, this is a launch pad, and these are usually situated far away from human habitation, since the rocket and the fuel is hazardous. And this is the tower where the scientists work to build the rocket. And when the rocket is ready for launch, the tower moves backwards and the rocket ignites and lift off. So these things, called the boosters, they are the first stage of the rocket. They are filled with solid fuel, and their only goal is to make the rocket reach towards the upper atmosphere. But after that, they burn up their fuel and the rocket is just carrying dead weight. So it just ditches them down by throwing them like this. They fall down, and now the rocket is free of those. After the first stage detaches, the second stage fires up and takes it further into the atmosphere. And then this stage too gets burnt up and falls down into the ocean below. So after the second stage too falls down, the third stage fires up. This one takes it out in the space. But then even the third stage's fuel gets exhausted and it falls down to the earth. This one gets burnt up in the atmosphere. Then comes the fourth stage, the one that puts the spacecraft into the orbit. So now the fourth stage and the final stage pushes the cone into the orbit around Earth and falls down. Then the cone releases the spacecraft. The spacecraft opens its wings and goes front and begins transmitting. So this is how spacecraft is launched into space. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Bye.